Welcome back, everybody, in Mystic Elements Off Grid. Today, we're here for our part 2 of creating our driveway from front to back of the property. I'll take that from you. I'll take you guys on a little tour of what we got going on this morning already. So as you see, got homeboy Joey here putting in work already. Now over here, we had a bunch of trees over here. I don't know if you guys remember. A bunch of trees and rocks all right here. Now cleared out. The shipping container that we have is going to be lined up in between these two trees. Couldn't see that one at first, sorry. It's going to be lined up in between these two trees, going straight back. Right here is our turnaround. Honestly, in part 1, as you guys saw, all of this was still probably up to here, I'd say. And we only had like a little bit of room coming through, like right here, then loop around and then go. But as you see, you got room all up here, so you could just drive straight through instead of having to drive like that and come in right here. You could drive straight in like this. Come around. Once we get all this dirt and stuff cleared up, you'll be able to loop all the way around like normal. Or, if you really wanted to, you could come down the driveway normally, loop around, and go down to the back end of the property, where we got the driveway on the back end. So the goal is to make this about 12 feet wide. Wide enough so we could easily move our campers and the shipping container through here. At some point, we're gonna have to lay a bunch of these smaller rocks on the road right here and gravel on top of it or something, or just gravel the ground, because this dirt, I don't know if you guys can tell, extremely soft, extremely. Right here might not be the best example, but this is some extremely soft dirt. Down here will probably be part 3. Yep, guys, this is our driveway in the works. Oh, see, even got pop going down the driveway, like I said, going down normally. And loop, is he gonna loop around, or is he gonna loop towards me? Oh yeah, see, he's looping around. Thunderclaps going in the background. As you guys can see, so we just need to clear a little bit more of this out. Probably get this T-post out the way. Hopefully not have to even cut a branch of this manzanita, but if we do, we'll have to, so none of the cars or anything get scraped up. Yep, guys, this is part 2 to our driveway. Getting done. The shipping container is going to look so nice just hidden right here. might be in the way. There's none really around here right now to even show you. But all the little hoses like this, oh yeah, there is. And nets like this, the gopher nets and the plant nets and stuff, keep them out the way. So this man ain't gotta stop and get tangled and none of that. Yes, guys, stick around and find out what else we got in line for you guys, because we are sure excited ourselves.
Y'all might not be able to see this, but it is pouring down, raining hard out here. It's supposed to be 90-something degrees, and it's raining like crazy out here.
It's like 70.
And we trying to work. Come on, Mother Nature. Help us out today. So we had to duck out in the car for a minute, y'all, because it's coming down too hard. So we had to duck down in the car for a second. I'm quite sure it's going to ease up so we can get to work. But do what we gotta do, you know, to get this done. Thank y'all for watching. Stick around. All right, y'all, we done made it to the back. We're a little slow on this camera today. You know, we're trying to get this work put in. But we opened up the back bench back here. He's now busting through. This is gonna be the opening to our driveway right here. He's busting through. Already knocked down some of these trees here. We gotta get through there. Made it to the back, y'all. This is from the back. Let me just kind of show y'all. Remember the shed used to be there before the wind came and took it away. Driveway's here going up. Then we're back over here swinging around, and our back fence is open and ready for us to put another 12-foot 6x12 panel. We own it, y'all. We are on it. And again, special shout out to my guy Joey, man. He is really doing an awesome job. Man, I couldn't ask for no one better to come in here and do this work for a very, very reasonable price. So thanks again, man. Doing a great job, Joey. And again, I'll attach his information in the link down there or on the screen. So if you guys ever need any type of work or anything, this is the man right here. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. This is part 2. Part 2, y'all. Told y'all we're trying to get it ready. We're ready to move. So working on this mobile home, we are ready to move. We are tired of living that day-to-day life, 9 to 5, working for a bunch of unappreciative type people. We're tired of it, and we are ready to call it. But we gotta do what we gotta do until it's time to go, y'all. We're so thankful, so peaceful, so quiet. We just love being here every minute, every moment. We love it. We're gonna try to clear out a lot of this stuff too. Again, this is a big project. It took us some time to get it together. This is a very big project that we're doing here. Special shout out to Dan the man. Very supportive out here helping us. Gonna help us put a 6-foot fence out here in the back. Come up with many, many different ideas. But we getting it, y'all. Like I said, take your time. That's all we got right now is time. Well, I'm gonna go, get some hands on deck, help them get stuff situated. Stick around, see how I look now. All this stuff filled in, you know. I'm gonna try to come back to this same spot in a little while to show y'all the difference. Right now, everything looks the same, somewhat. About to get out here, he's pushing low, he's about to follow behind him and get out here to the main road before he comes back. Clear this road so we'll have our snake, y'all. Little pencil snake. He just got through moving around. He just sitting there chilling, but that's crazy. Oh yeah. Say he lives by the root of the tree, huh? Look at the bottom of the nice little yellow something
over here. So
yeah, let him stay alive. It's all kind of stuff you see out here, y'all. Mystic elements. That's crazy. What? Just the one that you put in this morning. The one from yesterday. All right, y'all. So he came in and graded out some of this. He's going to come back. We wanted to go more towards the back, which I call the front now. But this is where my son wants to put a trailer at over here. So we kind of graded out most of it, cleared out a lot of it. But again, we'll be back to finish it. We decided to go work on something which is more important to us right now. But he got it. It's looking good, y'all. Look at that. Part 2, y'all. All right, so we gonna take y'all over to the opening. But while we do that, just remember, Mystic Elements off grid, baby. Take y'all over to this driveway. We got it cut out. Actually, I ended up walking from there to the front, to the top of the property. Hey, Jane. Find these really good roots. We're not clearing out all the red shank, but we are finding some really good roots that we can use for fire, since we are going to have a wood burner, or we do have a wood burner. I want to donate some to Dan the man as well. He wants to take all these to the house. He said they burn forever, and he's more than welcome to have whatever he wants as far as roots and redwood shank. We have enough, even though it's for a lifetime. This guy has been very supportive. Father-in-law has been very supportive, very helpful. 70-year-old man, outdo us sometime. Man, thankful for all the help we got. But this is the beginning of the driveway. I'm walking up and in it. And this will lead all the way to the top. And I just got through walking up there, so I'm not going to walk up there right now. He's already on this side, clear